Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Decode. This is the seventh day of 30 days SQL challenge. Let's see what is the question we are having today. You are given a table projects containing a three column task ID, start ID, and end date. It is guaranteed that the difference between end date and start date is equal to 1 day for each row in the table. What they are saying, definitely there will be a 1 day of gap of start date and end date column. This is a table we are having task ID, start date, end date. After that, this is the question we are given. Ah, in the end date of the task are consecutive, then they are part of the same project. Samantha is interested in finding the total number of different projects completed. Write a query to output the start and end dates of projects listed by the number of days it took to complete the project in ascending order. If there is more than one project that have number of same number of completion days, then order the start date of the project. Okay, got it. Okay, this is an example we just got. This is the output we need to provide. Okay, let me explain what they are saying. What they're saying is, for example, you can see these are continuous days 1, 2, 3. And after that you can see there are some gaps in these two dates 13 and 3. Okay, there are gaps. So what they are saying is, if the date is continuous to each other, they are belonging to one single project. So what we have to retrieve is, we have to retrieve the start date of the particular project and the end date of the particular project. If the date is consecutive, they consider as a single project. We have to retrieve the start date of the a particular project and end date of the same project. While retrieving it, we have to order them based on date difference. After that, if the date difference are same, we have to order them on start date. This is what they are saying. I hope you guys got it. Okay, let's see in the code. For that, what I'm going to do is, the primary concept we are going to follow in this question is self-join. Self-join is one of the key element which we can join the same table by itself. Okay, I'm going to give select all. As of now, I'm going to give select all from table projects, and I'm going to name it as T1 because we are going to do multiple self-join. So it good to name it as per our convenience, but we should name it. And I'm going to perform join projects again, and I'm going to name it as T2. On which column I'm going to join it is on T1 dot start date should not in select date projects. If we performing join means, it will join each and every row again and again to each other. I will show you. This will have a row for this, and again this will have a row for this. Likewise, it will going again and again and again. Okay, after that it will comes this row and it will gives create a new row again and again. Likewise, it will go for n number of time as per the number of rows we are having. Okay, likewise it will gives again and again, and we are going to filter them out using this particular statement on T start date not in T1, which means, sorry, I forget. T1 start date, START start date, not in end date of projects. That start date over here should not be equals to the end date. So each and every date must be different. So that's what it says. After that, I'm going to give another condition T2 dot end date not in projects. Likewise, what we have done in the above row, like above statement, we have to do the same. Whatever the values in the start date should not be contains in the end date. So we are eliminating the duplicate values which we have created using this particular join. That's how we are going to eliminate the unwanted rows we have created. And also I'm giving another uncondition t1 dot start date should be lesser than t2 dot end date, because we need to find the difference of each date. So that date alone we should retrieve. That row alone we should retrieve it. After that, we am going to group by the columns using t1 dot start date. What they have asked is they need us to order them. um, where it was, yeah, to come, yeah, it says project listed by the number of days it took to complete by ascending order. Okay, so for that I'm going to give order by this function called date differ. Date difference gives the difference between two dates. For that I'm going to use two columns which we should create over the space. T1 dot start date, I'm going to name it as C1, which means column 1. As per the convenience, we can also change those, and I am going to, because we have aggregated, we have made a group by statement over this place, and I'm using a aggregate function which is minimum in this place. For by that only we are going to retrieve the end date of the particular project. End date as column 2 C2. In this order statement, I'm going to get the difference as C2 comma C1. It will get the difference from date of C2 and C1. If both are same, I am going to order them by C1. Okay guys, I think that's it. Uh, just do a quick QC whether it was right or wrong, or else any mistake we have done. Okay, I think it was good to go. I'm going to run it. Yeah, we got another end data. Yeah, there's some typo. You can see end date should come over this place. Yeah guys, we got this output. Okay, everything runs good. I'm going to submit it. Yeah, it's perfect. It's around everything. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, please click the like button and do subscribe and share it with your friends. Okay guys, bye bye. See you on the next challenge.